let's open the package. The feel looks very good. At the top we have a couple of buttons. And you can see the boAt logo at the front of the device, and at the one end we have a couple of options for that. At the bottom we have a mountable port and a grill slot. It looks very good. And the buttons at the top, on off button we have, volume rockers we have. And the third button that you get to see on the top of the Bluetooth device is for the play and pause. And this is the strap to hold the device. It looks very premium. It has that good rubbery finish. And at both the sides we have this boAt logo. And this side we have two ports. One is for the micro USB and the other is for the 3.5mm jack. Let me connect the phone to the portable device. Let me also connect the USB for charging. If you don't get a charger along with this, you need to connect to your USB charger or to your desktop or laptop USB port. And let me connect to my phone and let's play some music here. And let me switch it on, and you can see the green light glowing. Let me turn on some music here. And if you hear some voice, some volume, some music, it's from the device guys. Let's go and enjoy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
The sound is very good, and if you put the buttons at the max, it will give you a beep sound. So that is when you have to realize that it doesn't go anything beyond that. But the sound is very good, and it's worth for the price. Now let's go ahead and connect our device to the Bluetooth option that we have. Let me switch it on. And now once we switch it on, it gives us a beep sound. And now you can see the blue light blinking, unlike the green one that we did see for the 3.5mm jack that we did connect before. And now let's connect this to my phone and play some music. So once I connect the Bluetooth option, you can see that we can see that there are like couple of options there. Let me pair the device. It will take a second or so, and then you can get to see that there. Let me click on that, and finally it gets connected, and you can see the model number on my phone. Then let's go to the YouTube and let's play some music here. And the music that you would be listening is from the Bluetooth device. Let's go ahead and enjoy the music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
let's pause that and let's play that back again. So this is for the play and pause button, guys. So if you want to pause the music, you can do that. Let's decrease the volume and check it out, and let me increase the volume and see how does it work. That's it, guys.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
And when it's time for charging, you need to use your micro USB to get the charging done. And you can see that I'm using a USB hub. So the micro USB goes to the device, and we have the USB for the hub. Either you can connect to your laptop, desktop, wherever you have a USB port, and let me connect the other end to my device. And let me open that, and we can see the micro USB port. Let me plug that in, and once I do that, you can get to see the red button on the screen. Let me light it up first. Yes guys, now you can see the red button glowing. That's for charging.